This is recorded a great combination case for Syton 7-star and Syton 4500, which is lower, which is very good with the individual and also 2-unit top and excellent tissue adaptations. I'm trying to make the convex as much as possible. Seven stars upper, the 4 implants, and the lower 5 implants. And then we finish the design from here. Okay, so enough room, 2mm reduction. Underneath we cut it about 7/10mm. We're trying to add with the porcelain. Alright, and then the lower, we got the full support for the zirconia at the top. Okay, and then alright, so now we try to mill. Alright, awesome. Alright, this is the how many total? 9?
Yeah, 9.
So 2 is the no stabilizer. 3, 4, 5, 6. Are you crazy, right? This is a humongous one, just finish it. Right, this one is the finals cases, final QC. We can sandblast inside and then make the chrome cobalt, which is kind of slightly light too, and then make all individual restorations top of that. And we made this lower Syton 4500 cases, which is slightly layered top of this, and then we make the 4 implant and the really thin from the facial and linger. I'm trying to make the convex as much as possible, and also created about individual restorations one by one. Okay, this K9, this K9 as well. So it's really delicate, just like jewelry restorations. Then we're going to cement soon, especially these adaptations from the gum, which is ceramic, pink, the zirconia. Alright, that one is just final restorations using the 4 implant to make the Syton 7-star case, which is lingual mono top, just like that. Alright, they're coming soon. Our individual restoration coming up, and then we cement together. Case, this final 7-star case is just finish it with the individual and also 2-unit top. Yeah, the excellent tissue adaptations here. Okay, so I have to cement it with the upper and lower, which is upper individual crowns, and the lower tie base cemented. Zirconia linger together, so layer just a little bit. The highest aesthetics This is just finishing. This is what we call a great combination case for Syton 7-star and the 7 Syton 4500, which is lower, which is very good. This is after. Took it out from the model. See? Trying to make this fine as possible in the move. Known as its fineness. Alright, thanks for watching.